Data structures. Data structures are essential component of any programming language, including Python. They allow you to organize and manipulate data efficiently. In this section, we'll cover some of the built-in data structures in Python and how to work with them. So first one is lists. Lists are ordered collection of items which can be of different data types. Lists are mutable, meaning you can modify them after they have been created. You can access individual elements in the list using indexing. So if you see here, we have an example of fruits list which has apple, banana and cherry. You can print fruits of 0, which is the first index of the array. It will print out apple. If you say fruits of 1 equal to orange, what it does is it will change banana to orange because you're seeing that the first index, which is the second element in the list, is orange. So if you print it out, you'll see the output is apple, orange and cherry. Banana disappeared. Next, you can say fruits append banana, where what happens is if you have a list with 3 items, you can append another item to it and it will be added at the end of the list. So if you print it, you'll see output is apple, orange, cherry and banana. Tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning you cannot modify them after they have been created. Tuples are often used to store collections of related data. So for example, I'm creating a person tuple and I'm assigning values John, 30 and New York. So if you see, the difference here is it's not square brackets, it's rounded bracket. And you can access the elements by saying print person of 0 and you'll get output as John. You can unpack a tuple by saying that I have 3 elements in there, so I can say variable name is the first element, age is the second element and third city is the third element, and assign it to the person. So what it does is if you say print name, age and city, it will print John, 30 and New York. So you can use this unpacked tuple variables anywhere you want in your code. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key value pairs. Each key value pair in a dictionary maps the key to its corresponding value. Dictionaries are mutable and can be modified after creation. So if you see, dictionaries are assigned using the curly bracket. So if you see here, person equal to curly bracket, name is John, age is 30, city is New York. This is how you create dictionaries. Accessing elements, you can say from the person variable, give me the name and it will output John. I can say person age is 35 and it will update the age of this person to from 30 to 35. And if you output the person dictionary, you'll see that age has changed. You can say person gender equal to male. What it does is it will assign one more variable inside the dictionary and assign the key as gender and value as male. And if you output it, you'll probably see it assigned at the end of it. Sets. Sets are unordered collection of unique elements. They are useful for removing duplicates from a sequence and performing mathematical set operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. So here is an example. You use the same curly brackets, but you don't have key value pairs. And here I've assigned some values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I say add 6 to it, and if you print it out, you'll see 6 is printed. You say remove 3, and if you print it out, it will remove 3 from there. If you try to add any duplicates value, it will not take it. Understanding these built-in data structures and how to work with them is essential for writing efficient and effective Python code. They provide powerful tools for organizing and manipulating data in your programs.